afternoon also from me. So now the aim of my speech is to introduce you to the product novelties and the technical features of the new Compass and the benefits they bring to our customers. And I will start from the core of the project. The new Compass is based upon the new Stellantis Stella Medium platform, a future-proof platform designed to electrify C and D segment vehicles, offering impressive BEV range, fast charging, efficiency, and performances, while retaining a multi-energy offering. But the challenge was to leverage the platform flexible concept to make the new Compass a unique and distinctive SUV that stays true to the Jeep DNA without compromise. And we certainly rose to the challenge by making the new Compass the most capable vehicle manufactured from the platform. A vehicle designed for the great outdoors, but also for everyday use. Always ready for an adventure, but also extremely practical, spacious, and equipped with all the functional technology you need to make everyday life easier. So let's start from capability. That is almost synonymous with Jeep and something our customer takes for granted. And with the new Compass, our aim was to deliver the most capable C SUV on the market. To achieve this, we have applied the same recipe for success as the Jeep Avenger, but upgraded to fit a more refined and distinctive C SUV. So we extended capability across the range, including the front-wheel drive version, which will also be 100% capable. The new Compass has a ground clearance of up to 200 millimeters at battery level, an approach angle of 20 degrees, a breakover angle of 15, and a departure angle of 26 degrees, and up to 470 millimeters waterfording. We managed to achieve this working on vehicle architectures, shortening the front overhang by 20 millimeters and the rear overhang by 30 millimeters, while raising the vehicle from the ground. But capability is not only geometry. Selector range will be standard on all the versions to support our customer on the most challenging situation, as it will be the 360-degree protection already available on the Avenger. And the all-wheel drive version will be even more capable, thanks to extra-functional design that ensures 27 degrees of approach angle, 16 degrees of breakover, 31 degrees of departure angle, and improved ground clearance and waterfording. Hill descent control will be standard, and some of them will be also equipped with extra durable seat material. And we have gone also one step further by developing new suspension tuning for all versions with dedicated springs, dampers, and anti-roll bars to achieve the perfect balance between handling and comfort on difficult roads. And the 4xe version will be also equipped with special frequency-selective damping to ensure comfort on rough road and driving pleasure on smooth ones. As we said at the beginning, we also wanted an everyday capable vehicle. That for us means practicality, space, and functional technology. To begin with, off-road characteristics also translate into everyday practical benefits. Off-road geometry means less risk of damage when driving, as an example, in and out of a garage ramps. And the 360-degree protection ensures lower maintenance costs for private customers and fleet, and an overall better residual value at resale. At the same time, the new Compass remains one of the most compact vehicles built from Stella Medium platform, with a total length of 4.55 meters, thanks to short overhangs that give us the freedom to extend the wheelbase and add 55 millimeters extra legroom. The new Compass will simply offer more space for people and gears. In fact, applying the Jeep design to function approach, we also have doubled the front interior storage, which is now about 34 liters, and increased the boot space by 45 liters, reaching a total of 550 liters. And the 40-20-40 split rear bench, standard on all the versions, provide the modularity necessary to adapt this space to the different needs of our customer. The new Compass is an all-inclusive value proposition. That is why technology as performance, practicality, and space is standard across the range. The new infotainment system offers a 10 inches cluster and a 16 inches radio, while connected services ensures that the vehicle is constantly up to date, receiving over-the-air upgrades throughout its life cycle. And the Level 2 autonomous driving will help our customer to drive safely on longer journeys or in congested urban areas. And let me remark this again. All of this will be standard for all our customers. And then the experience can be further enhanced by adding head-up display, semi-automatic lane change, matrix LED lights, or the smartphone access. All novelties over the previous Compass and forward-looking features, some of which normally only available in the premium segment. I would now like to turn to the new Compass Powertrain lineup, which relates directly to the core of our strategic plan to embrace the future while always keeping the needs of our customer at the center of our focus. With a full range of powertrains covering widely the segment, the new Compass will further enhance the freedom of choice we offer to our customer with a 145 horsepower e-hybrid, a 195 horsepower e-hybrid plug-in, both of them front-wheel drive, and 3 BEV versions, 2 of them front-wheel drive, delivering 213 and 231 horsepower respectively, and an all-wheel drive version delivering a stunning 375 horsepower at peak. To achieve this massive power, we have introduced a new, dedicated, and more powerful rear electric motor, exclusive to Jeep, with a peak output of 132 kilowatt, adding an extra 49 kilowatt to the platform setup. But most important, this delivers up to 232 Newton meters torque, which combined with a 14-to-1 rear reducer results in an impressive 3,100 Newton meters at rear wheels. This gives us maximum traction in most challenging situations, with the ability to climb at 20% slope even with zero traction on the front axle. EV charging is also up to the higher standard, with a fast 160 kilowatt DC solution offering 30 minutes 20 to 80% charge time, and an up to 22 kilowatt onboard charger. BEV range of up to 650 kilometers is another key attribute of our powertrain offering, positioning the new Compass to be highly competitive even in the advanced stage of electrification. But we wanted to achieve these results without compromising the practicality and spaciousness of the car. So, the entire team worked proactively on each and every detail to improve aerodynamic efficiency. That is a crucial factor in increasing the range. As a result, although the new Compass is bigger and bolder than the previous generation, we managed to improve the CX by 10%, achieving a value of less than 0.3, introducing elements like the active grille shutter that is directly integrated into the front bumper, air duct on front and rear wheels, sharp rear edges, and a fully flat underbody design. The Touring engineering team, with the key contribution of the global Jeep technical community, has achieved all of this through dedication, know-how, and an almost manic attention to quality and detail. And they are now completing almost 1.5 million kilometers of testing, both on asphalt and off-road. So, in conclusion, we have stayed true to the Jeep promise: go anywhere and do anything, while meeting the evolving needs of today's customer. The new Jeep Compass is, in every way, a future-ready SUV. Now, it's Fabio's turn, another committed teammate on the project. Thank you.